welcome viewers. We have some breaking inputs coming in this morning. We have a flight, an Indigo flight 2211 from Delhi to Varanasi that has asked the passengers to evacuate. The reason is yet to be ascertained, but these are the visuals that we have got from a passenger in the flight. The flight was about to take off, but before that there was an emergency evacuation that has taken place. These are the early visuals that we have from the passengers on board. बताया जा रहा है कि ये फ्लाइट दिल्ली से वाराणसी जाना था, लेकिन उससे पहले ही इवैक्यूएशन की गई है. इवैक्यूएशन का कारण क्या है पता नहीं, but you can see the evacuation process underway on the flight. This flight, and you can see how an inflated tube was opened for the passengers to immediately evacuate from the flight. An evacuation slide was opened, and you can see how several passengers are coming out of the flight. These are early morning visuals that we are getting for you. एक इंडिगो फ्लाइट थी दिल्ली से वाराणसी जाने के लिए, वहां से लेकिन उड़ने से पहले ही वहां पर सूचना मिली कि कुछ कारणों की वजह से ये फ्लाइट रद्द कर दी गई है. उससे पहले ही वहां के सारे लोगों को निकालने के लिए एक इमरजेंसी पाथ का निवारण किया गया. So you just saw the visuals of an emergency landing of an Indigo flight that was about to go from Delhi to Varanasi. We have Sabyasachi joining us. Sabyasachi, we are seeing some shocking visuals coming in. People are coming out through exit doors and evacuation a slide that has been opened by the Indigo flight. Any reasons why this happened?
Well, absolutely. See, there was complete panic which could be seen within the customers out there, and this particular emergency landing of Indigo flight 6C2211, it was going to Delhi to Varanasi, and they had to evacuate the passengers immediately through emergency doors, as well as they had to open the slides. See, so far the reason is unknown. The Indigo Airlines officially have not revealed any statement as of now. But what we are getting is from the visuals that are coming from the passengers who were present out there. It was clearly a panic situation, and the passengers, the crew members, asked the passengers to immediately jump out of the emergency exit and come out. See, it is a matter of investigation. Surely the airlines will come out with an official statement later as to what was the reason behind this emergency landing of the aircraft.
Right, Sabyasachi, we are also getting the information that CISF guys are now checking cabin baggage. So CISF personnel are now checking cabin baggage. There seems to be that there is, I believe, a bomb threat call that the CISF team received. Is there any chance of bomb threat to the Indigo flight?
Well, see, as of now, it is not clear. We have to wait for the official confirmation. See, what we are picking is that CISF is checking the bags of the passengers right now. But any such news, we have to wait for the official confirmation either from the CISF or from the airport authority as of now.
Okay, thank you, Sabyasachi, for giving us the latest inputs on this. And viewers, as per the initial information coming in, a bomb threat was received, after which an Indigo flight from Delhi to Varanasi was immediately evacuated. You can see the visuals coming on your screens, how passengers were asked to evacuate. The Indigo staff has been accompanying the people and making sure that everybody evacuates safely from the flight. The flight was cleared for takeoff and was on the runway. Something happened and the flight turned back to isolation area, where you can see that the visuals are coming on your screens are from the Indigo flight. These are the 5 a.m. visuals that we are getting for you, and the 2 pictures on your screens are viewers of a Delhi to Varanasi flight. These are the visuals. You can see how people are being evacuated. The crew, after getting a bomb threat, did this drill, the safety drill that was done. The passengers as well as the pilot of the Indigo airline had come out. These are the visuals we are getting for you, and as per the initial information, we are getting that a bomb threat was received for this flight, after which the crew ordered emergency evacuation. Slides were opened up and passengers were assisted to slide out quickly. You can see how people are coming out from the emergency exit of the airplane as well as through the main door. You can see how people have been saying evacuate, evacuate, as per the visuals that we were hearing on, that people are being asked to evacuate immediately. Now, the cause of concern is yet to be confirmed by the airline, but the initial information says that there is a likely bomb threat. CISF personnel is inside the airplane right now and is checking the baggage area. This is the 5 a.m. flight that was scheduled to take place from Delhi to Varanasi, the Indigo 6E2211. The passengers have come out. The flight is being checked thoroughly for alleged bomb threat.